Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate a WordPress website using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. This plugin is incredibly useful and makes the entire migration process a breeze. Step 1. Install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. The first thing you need to do is install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and search for All-in-One WP Migration. Click on Install Now and then Activate. Step 2. Export your website. Once the plugin is installed and activated, you can start the migration process. To export your website, go to the All-in-One WP Migration option on the left-hand side of your dashboard and select Export. Choose Export To and select the file type you want to export your website as. Step 3. Import your website. Now, it's time to import your website to your new server. Install WordPress on your new server, and then install the All-in-One WP Migration plugin on that website as well. Navigate to All-in-One WP Migration and select Import. Upload the file that you exported in Step 2. Click on Process button. Step 4. Wait for the import to finish. Once you have uploaded your export file, you will need to wait for the import to finish. The time it takes to complete the import depends on the size of your website. Don't worry if it takes a while, just be patient. Step 5. Update permalinks and check your website. After the import is complete, you may need to update your permalinks. Navigate to Settings and then Permalinks to update them. After that, check your website to make sure everything is working correctly. That's it. You've successfully migrated your WordPress website using the All-in-One WP Migration plugin. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.